Good morning and welcome to CV Kelco, Denmark. I'm here to give you a brief introduction to our pectin manufacturing site. Let's go and see where it all begins.
The Skensby site is founded by Carl Petersen, a former jam producer. Established this site in 1947. Since 2004, owned by Huber.
So what we have here is our dried citrus peel. This is a byproduct from the juice manufacturing process that we then take and further extract the pectin from, further increasing the value.
The main reason for being in Denmark, it is the access to highly skilled people. In Denmark, we as a food industry work very closely with the universities, bringing in new knowledge, research on existing processes. Ever since Denmark started exporting butter to UK, we have as a country a lot of credibility. People around the world knows when it comes to food safety and quality, they can trust products from Denmark.
So this is our vacuum filtration stage where we separate the bent citrus peel from our pectin juice. This citrus cake is then further utilized for biogas production, which is then used to heating houses in the local community.
Jamen, spritten vi bruger i produktionen til at trække pektinen ud af saften, den kommer tilbage hertil som snavsprit, og det kommer op i kolonnerne, hvor vi så opkoncentrerer den igen til rensprit, som så igen kan bruges over i produktionen.
Denmark is one of the safest and easiest place to live in. We attract people from all over the world. We do not rely on cheap labor. We rely on highly skilled technicians.
Hej Louise.
Hej Mille. Vi kvalitetskontrollerer løbende vores produkter, og et af det vi bruger til, det er NMR'en herinde. Det er en meget avanceret metode til at kigge på selve strukturen af det vi producerer.
If you want to produce a high value product, it is the perfect place to be situated.